Good evening. Am I audible? Is it audible, my dear students? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Is it audible? Good evening, my dear students. Welcome to Goscore Learning. We are the GC's fastest growing EdTech company. Our main aim is to provide education for all. So, we are discussing the chapter 3 of grade 12. It is matrices. Next chapter is determinants. So, the basic before determinants is matrices. So it is an important chapter. It is a simple chapter. So you can score up to in this algebra. You can score up to maximum 10 marks. The weightage is for this unit, not for this chapter. For this unit, that means matrices and determinants is around 10 marks. Okay. So in matrices, that means chapter 3, we will discuss uh, this topic. That means concept and notation of matrices, then order, equality matrices, then types of matrices. Third one is types of matrices. In types of matrices, we will discuss about zero matrix, identity matrix. Zero matrix is also called as null matrix. Okay. Then we will discuss about in next part we will discuss about the transpose of matrix, skew symmetric, symmetric matrix, etc. Then operations of matrices. In this class, we will discuss about the operations of matrices, that is addition and multiplication. There are two operations that we are used in matrices is addition and second one is multiplication. Okay, then some laws related to that means commutativity, etc. Then last we will discuss about inverse of matrix. These are the topics we will discuss in chapter 3 matrices. So this chapter is very simple. We can score maximum marks in this chapter because uh, integrals differentiation is very tough. So we can score maximum marks from this chapter. So what is matrix? What is matrix? Have you any idea? So what is the use of matrix in real life? In real life, we will use in statistics. That means in mortality rate calculation, then population calculation. In that some case of profit and loss, we will use this matrix. So what do you mean by a matrix? Matrix is a symbol. Simply, we can say it is an ordered rectangular array of functions. Ordered rectangular array of functions or numbers, which is called as matrix. So, matrix we will denote it in a capital letters. Capital letters. We will denote by using the capital letters like A, B, C, etc. So I will write an example for a matrix. I will write an example for matrix. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then here 4, 5, 6. So this is a best example or this is a example for matrix. So you can see this one is first row. This 1 4 is called as first row. Then which one is second row? 2 5. 2 5 is second row. Then third row. Which one is third row? This 3 6 is third row. So in matrix we have rows and columns. We will represent the matrix by using the rows and columns. So what is a column? This one is column, first column. This one is first column. Then this one is second column. That means 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3 is called as first column. 1, 2, 3 is first column. Then 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 is second column. Then row. This 1, 4 is first row. Then 2, 5 is second row. Then 3, 6 is third row. So a matrix is a rectangular or ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. So it is denoted by the capital letters. So another examples, A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then sometimes we will use complex numbers also. 2i, 3, minus I, 0. This is another type, another matrix. Then C is equal to cos theta, sin theta, then cos theta, then minus sin theta. Another example for matrix. So these are the basic examples for matrix. So next is we will discuss about the order of the matrix. What do you mean by the order of matrix? What do you mean by the order of matrix? So anyone can answer or you can comment in our comment box. So you can see in previous example, in this example, how many rows are there? How many rows are there? In this example, there are 3 rows and how many columns? 2 columns. 2 columns. In this first example, you can see there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So we can represent that by 3 by 2 matrix. So first one is row. So we will count the rows, then we will count the columns. So this representation, or we can say it by 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix. Moreover we will take this rows as m and columns as n. So it is an m by n matrix. M by n. So there are, if we are representing by using m by n, there are m rows. How many columns? How many columns? N columns. Okay. So m rows and n columns. So what will be the order of this one? A. So for this second example, how many rows? One row. I will use another column. Okay, one row, second row, column 1, 2. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. This one is also 2 by 2 matrix. This one is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows and 2 columns. So I think all of you understood this one. Okay, shall we move on to next one? So an m by n. So we can represent an m by n matrix. We can represent an m by n matrix. So it is A is equal to matrix. So first column we will represent A11 for first one. Next one is A12. So this one is m by n matrix. So there are m rows and n columns. So for this matrix, there are m rows and n columns. So these are the elements in this matrix. These are the elements. So next one, A13 up to last one. What will be the last one? Last one, A1M. A1M. Next one, A21. Next element is A21. A22. A23. Last one. What will be the last one? A2M. So this one, etc., etc. Then A N1, N2, N3. This element, last element is ANM. 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 So you can see in ith row, what will be the ith row? So first row you can see first row. This one is first row. is another color. So this one is first row, A11. First element is A11, A12, A13. Last element is A1n. Then second row you can see A21, A21, then A22, then A23 up to last. This one is first row, second row, then last one. Okay, this one is first column, second column. Okay, second column. Then, so what will be the ith row? Ith row. What will be the ith row? So it will be A1i. Elements are AI2, AI3. Last one. Last element. What will be the last element? Last element AIN. AIN. Okay. So M by N in M by N matrix, or in 3 by 2 matrix, we can say how many rows? There are 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. So in M by N matrix, how many rows? M rows and 2 columns. So this is about the order of matrix. Next, first question is an example question in your reader. Consider the following information. Consider the following information regarding the number of men and women working in 3 factories, first, second, and third factories. So, men and women is working in 3 factories. So, how can you represent the above information in 3 by 2 matrix? Above information in 3 by 2 matrix. So, you can write. So, A is equal to, so this one is men. So, 30. Then, woman. 20, women 25, then again 25, 31, 27, 26. So this is the matrix representation of above question. So how many rows are there? How many rows are there? Here you can see this one, first row, second row, third row, then first column, second column. So this one is row, row, row. R represents the row, then C represents the column. So you can see that there are 3 rows, and 2 columns. So we can represent that function, or that function as in the form of a matrix. So what does the entry in third row and second column? So third row, which one is third row and second column? This one. So 26. This one 26. Okay. Next question. Next question. If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What are the possible, if a matrix of order m by n, then what are the possible orders it can have? So I am taking an example. So this matrix is in the order of m by n. If this matrix is in the order of m by n, so it's what is the product of m and n? M by n. So we can represent mn ways. That means mn, not ways. Product of this one m and n is mn. So in this question, if a matrix has 8 elements, if the matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So we can take some examples. Here, first example. In this first example, how many elements are there? 4 elements. 4 elements. So it is 2 by 2. This one is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 is multiplied with the 2. So it is a 2 by 2. For 4 elements, we can represent 2 by 2, then 4 by 1, 1 by 4, then this 2 by 2. So next, in this question, it is 8 elements. Total elements are 8. Total elements are 8. So how we can get the product as 8? 8 we can get. 1 is multiplied with 8. It is 8. 8 is multiplied with 1. It is again 8. Then 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 4, again 8. So we have 4 types. 1 is multiplied with 8. 8, 1. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 4, 8. This is simply product, not that order. So first I am taking the product. So the ordered pairs are, what are the ordered pairs? What are the ordered pairs? 1, 8, 8, 1, 4, 2, 2, 4. So the possible orders are, so what are the possible orders? 1 by 8. So the first one. Then 8 by 1, 4 by 2, and 2 by represent this matrix. This matrix has 8 elements. So we can represent in this orders 1 by 8 and 8 by 1, then 4 by 2 and 2 by 4. So sometimes they will ask this type of question in MCQ. Okay. Then next question. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to half into I minus 3j. This one is I minus, I will write Aij is equal to Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into I minus 3j. Modulus of I minus 3j. So the question is, construct a matrix of the order 3 by 2. So how many rows are there? First one is row. M is equal to 3 and N is equal to 2. So M is equal to 3 and N is equal to 2. So there are three, three, three rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. So 1, 2, 3. Then how many columns? 2 columns. So 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. So how we can represent? So matrix A is equal to, you can take any alphabet in capital letter A, B, O, C, etc. So A is equal to matrix. First element is A11. So first element is A11, then A12, then here it is A21, A22, A31, A32. So you can see, we can check. You can see first row, second row, third row. So A11 and A12 is first row. Then A21 and A22 second row. Third row, what is the third row? A31 and A32. Then you can see, I will use another color, okay. So you can see this one is first column, A11, A21. This one is first column, then second column. This one is first row, second row, third row. So we will get it as a 3 by 2 matrix. Next we will find the values. First we want to find which value? First we want to find A11. A11. So what is A11? It is given in the question. It is 1 by 2 into I is 1. So for A11, I will use here. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So first I am using a column. So first one is A11. So here you can see I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 1. I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 1. So what will be the value? So just substitute the I and J in this. You will get the answer. So first one, 1 by 2 into I is 1. 1 minus 1 minus 3 into 1. It is 3. So it is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3. What is 1 minus 3? What is 1 minus 3? It is minus 2. Minus 2. What is the modulus of minus 2? It is again 2. That is equal to 1. 2 and 2 cancel. First value is A11 is 1. Then second value. Second value. What will be the second value? What will be the second value? A12 or second element. So here you can see I is equal to 1. First Aij. Aij. This one is in the form of Aij. Aij is 1 by 2 into modulus of I minus 3j. So I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. J is equal to 2. Just substitute in this equation. Substitute again. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus, what is j? 3j minus 3j. 3 into 2. 3 into 2, it is minus 6. 1 minus 6. What minus 6? It is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is 5. Modulus of minus 5 is 5. 5 by 2. Answer is 5 by 2. Then third value A21. A21. So what is A21? Again, I is equal to in the form of Aij. A is equal to I is equal to 2 and J is equal to 1. Again, substitute in this equation. Substitute equation equal to is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus yes 3 into 3 into 1 is like 3 by 2. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Modulus, modulus of minus 1 is 1. So it is equal to 1 into 1 by 2 half. That is 1 by 2. Again fourth value A22. So I is equal to 2. J is equal to I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. Again substitute 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2. Substitute I is equal to 2. 2 minus 3 into j value is 2. So it is 6. So what is 2 minus 6? 2 minus 6 is 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So next value is 2. Then third, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one, A31, A31. Sixth one is A32. So I is equal to 3 and J is equal to 1. I is equal to 3. So 1 by 2 into half into I is 3. 3 minus 2 is multiplied with J is equal to 1. So 3. So 3 minus 3. What is value of 3 minus 3? 3 minus 3 is 0. Modulus of is again 0. 0 in by 2 is 0. The next element is 0. Then A equal to A32. I is equal to 3 and J is equal to 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 modulus of I. 3 into 3j. 3 into 2 is 3 into 2 is 3 into 2 is 6. What is 3 minus 6? What is 3 minus 6? 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is 3. Then it is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. 3 minus 6. What is 3 minus 6? 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is again positive. That is 3. 3 divided by 2. Or 1 by 2 into 3 is 3 by 2. So how can you represent A is equal to? Just replace this value with A11. What is the value of A11? It is 1. A11 is 1. A12 is 5 by 2. Then A21. What is A21? It is 1 by 2. A21 is 1 by 2. A22 is 2. Then A31 is 0. 3 by 2. So first value is 1. First value is 1. 5 by 2. 1 by 2. 2, 0, 3 by 2. So this is the answer. So in this way we can calculate or we can construct any type of matrix. So we can construct any type of matrix. Okay. Next one, next we will discuss about the types of matrices. Types of matrices. So in this, we will explain. I will explain about column matrix, row matrix, zero matrix, then identity matrix, scalar matrix, diagonal matrix, etc. So first we will discuss about column matrix. So what do you mean by a column matrix? So a column matrix is said to be a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. So how can you represent a one column matrix? So A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So this is a column matrix. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, but one column. This is a 3 by 1 matrix. So order of the column or the number of columns will always 1. The number of column is always 1 in column matrix. It is explained as column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one matrix. So another example, it is 1 2 1 1 2. So B is equal to 1 2. Here also you can see how many rows. How many rows? First row, second row, but column is only one column. So this one is 2 by 1. So this is also a column matrix. This is also a column. So generally we can say M by N matrix is a column matrix. Generally we can say any matrix in the order of M by N. So the column is only one. So we can say that it is a column matrix. Next is row matrix. So what will be the row matrix? It is just opposite of the column matrix. In this, only one row. We can see only one row. Row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. One row. So how can you represent A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So how many rows are there? How many rows? One row. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So it is a 1 by 3 matrix. Another example, B is equal to A comma B. So how many rows? How many rows are there? Only one row, but two columns. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So generally we can say any matrix in the order of 1 by n. Any matrix in the order of 1 by n, we can say that it is a row matrix. So only one row in a matrix which is called as row matrix. Okay. So this is about the row matrix. I think all of you understood this concept. First two, column matrix and row matrix. So it is very important. Next, types of matrices is very important. Then square matrix. What do you mean by a square matrix? What do you mean by a square matrix? If number of rows, and number of columns are said to be equal, or if number of rows and columns are equal, we can say that that matrix is called as square matrix. If number of rows and number of columns. So 2 by 2 is 2 by 2 matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix is a square matrix. 3 by 3 is another one. 4 by 4. So if number of rows and columns, are equal, we can say that it is a square matrix. So I will write an example. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So here you can see how many rows? 1, 2. Here you can see 1, 2. 2 columns. So this one is a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. Another example I am constructing a matrix in the form of 3 by 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. G, H, I. So you can see how many rows? First row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. So this one is a 3 by 3 matrix. This one is a 3 by 3 matrix. So I am starting from the basic. Okay, so this chapter is very important. Also, you can score maximum mark from this side. Next one. So this one is a square matrix of order 3. This one is a square matrix of order 2. That means 2 by 2 matrix. This one is 3 by 3 matrix. So what do you mean by a square matrix? Again, I am repeating this concept. A square matrix, because the square matrix is very important. A square matrix is said, or any matrix is said to be a square matrix. The number of rows is equal to number of columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. We call it as square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix, a square matrix. It is a type of a square matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if all of its non-diagonal elements are 0. Its non-diagonal elements are all of its non-diagonal elements are 0. All of its non-diagonal elements are 0. So diagonal matrix, a square matrix B is equal to, so I represent B is equal to Bij. So this B is equal to Bij. B is equal to Bij. So it is in the order of m by n. That means m row and m column. M row and m column. So that means it is in the order of m. Rows and columns are equal. We can call it as square matrix. So a square matrix, in the square, I will write an example. Then we will know. Okay. So A is equal to an element 4. So this is a diagonal matrix. Next example, B. B is equal to, I am writing a 2 by 2 matrix. I am constructing a 2 by 2 matrix 1, 0, 0, 2. Here you can see. So what do you mean by a non-diagonal elements? Non-diagonal. This one is diagonal or principal diagonal elements. I will show you. Okay. This one is this one, -1 and 2. This -1 and 2 is called as principal diagonal elements or diagonal elements. So rest of them are called as non-diagonal elements. So you can see a diagonal matrix is a type of square matrix. Diagonal matrix is a type of square matrix where non-diagonal elements are 0. Another I will explain. This one is a 2 by 2 matrix. I will explain a 3 by 3 matrix. C is equal to 1, 0, 0, then 0, 2, 0, then 0, 0, 3. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. This one is a 3 by 3 matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Here you can see, I will show you the principal non-diagonal elements are 0. This one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Non-diagonal. The diagonal elements are not 0. The diagonal elements are not 0, which is called as diagonal matrix. So these are the 3 examples for diagonal matrix. Next one is scalar matrix. What do you mean by a scalar matrix? It is a type of diagonal matrix. It is a type of a diagonal matrix said to be scalar if the diagonal elements are equal. I will represent or I will construct a scalar matrix. So it is a type of diagonal matrix. It is a type of diagonal matrix. It is a type of diagonal matrix. The diagonal elements are equal. The diagonal elements are equal. So what is a scalar? So A is equal to 3. So this is a scalar matrix. This one is a scalar matrix. This one is a scalar matrix. Next one, B is equal to -1 comma 0 -1 0 0 -1. So you can see the principal or diagonal elements are same, -1 -1, and all other elements are all the elements are zeros. Non-diagonal elements are zeros. Non-diagonal elements are zeros, and diagonal elements are same, which is called as scalar matrix. Next one, identity matrix. Identity matrix is also very important. It is a square matrix in which elements in the diagonal elements are 1 and rest all are 0. Rest elements are 0. So I will represent A is equal to first one, A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. So this one is an identity matrix. Then B is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 0. You can see the diagonal elements are same and it is equal to 1. That is called as, and all other elements are 0. The diagonal elements is equal to, the diagonal elements is equal to 1. The diagonal elements is equal to 1 and all other elements are 0, which is called as identity matrix. So this one is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, or it is in the order of 2, Then what about 3 by 3? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Here you can see in the third example, you can see the principal diagonal elements are same and it is equal to 1, which is called as identity matrix. All other non-diagonal elements are 0. So this one is identity matrix. So identity matrix is denoted by I. Identity matrix is denoted by the letter I. In matrices and determinants, we will denote the identity matrix as capital letter I. In identity matrix, Aij is equal to here you can see this one is A11, right? This one is A12, this one is A22, this one is A21. So in identity matrix 1, Aij is equal to 1, I is equal to j. That means if it is I and j are equal, it is 1. That means the diagonal elements are 1 if I is equal to j. If I not equal to j, which is 0, I not equal to j. Here I is 1 and j is 2, it is 0. Here I is 2 and j is 1, again 0. Here I is 1 and j is 1. I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2, again I is equal to 1 and j is equal to I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2, again it is a value of 1. This is called as identity matrix. So it is the this one is the mathematical representation of a identity matrix. This one is the mathematical representation of identity matrix. Next one, last, zero matrix. So what do you mean by zero matrix or null matrix? It is also called as null matrix. So what is a null matrix? What is a null matrix? You can just comment. A matrix is said to be zero or null matrix if all the elements are zero. If all the elements are zero, we can say it is a null or zero matrix. So C is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This one. Then D is equal to 0. This is also 0 or null matrix. Okay, I think all of you understand this concept. Types of matrices. So we discussed first one column matrix, then second one row matrix, then diagonal matrix, square. Third one is square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix, and last one it is zero matrix. Then equality of matrices or equality matrices. What do you mean by equality of matrices? So two matrices. So I am taking Aij, the elements Aij and Bij. If we are taking two matrices, A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij, are said to be equal. It is very important. This concept is very important. They are of same order. They are of same order. Otherwise, it is not an equality matrix. Then each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. This one is also important. Each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. So how we can represent? So I will write if A is equal to 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then B is equal to again 1 2 3 4. So first you will check the order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix? two rows, two columns. So this one is 2 by 2. This one is again 2 by 2. Same. So we check the first condition. They are of the same order. So first A11 and B11 are equal. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So we can say that this A and B are equal matrices. This A and B are equal matrices. Okay. So in this concept, so I will write if A is equal to A11, A12, then A21, A22, and B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. If this A and B are equal matrices, you can say that A11 equal to B11. And if the A and B are equal matrices, A12 is equal to B12, this one is equal to this one, and this one is equal to this one. This is the general concept in equality of matrices. So we can solve some more questions. Okay. Uh, fourth question. Fourth question. If one matrix is, you can see here x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7. Then here you can see in left hand side, you can see one matrix. Then in RHS right hand side, you can see another matrix. Find the values if they are equal. You can see there is an equality sign. If they are equal, we can say we want to find the values of a comma b comma c comma etc. So I will rewrite this equation. Rewrite this equation. Okay, x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0. It is equal to 0, 6, 3y minus 2, 3y minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21, 0. Minus 21, minus 21, 0. So they are equal. So if they are equal, this element is equal to this element is equal to this element. That means first one x plus 3 is equal to 0. Second one, z plus 4 is equal to 6. Second element is equal to second element of corresponding elements of this one. So this is equal to this. Okay. So z plus 4 is equal to 6. Z plus 4 is equal to 6. Then 2y minus 7, third one. Third one you can see 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Then minus 6 and minus 6 are equal. A minus 1. A minus 1 is equal to minus 3. A minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then 0 and 2c plus 2 are equal. So 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. Then b minus 3 and 2b plus 4 are equal. b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. Then find the values. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is x? X is equal to minus 3. Take this plus 3 to this side, you will get minus 3. Z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 4. Take this plus 4 to this side, 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. Second value Z is equal to 2. Then 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. So I am taking this 2y to this side and minus 2 to this side. So minus 7 plus 2 is equal to 3y minus 2y. 3y minus 2y. Minus 7 plus 2. What is minus 7 plus 2? What is minus 7 plus 2? It is minus 5. 3y minus 2y, this y. So y is equal to minus y is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 3, z is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 5. Then a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. A minus 1. A minus 1. I am taking this minus 1 to this side. So it will be plus 1. So it is minus 3 plus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Then 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2c is equal to minus 2. I am taking this plus 2 to this side. So it is minus 2. C is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Then what is B? What is B? B is equal to, I am taking this B to this side. I am taking this B to this side. So it is equal to 2B minus B. Then minus 3. I am taking this plus 4 to this side. So it will be minus 4. So minus 7 is equal to 2B minus B. It is B. So B is equal to minus 7. B is equal to minus 7. So what will be the answer? X is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 5. Z is equal to Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. Then A is equal to minus 2. B is equal to, what is B? Minus 7. Then C is equal to, what is C? C is minus 1. So you can check X is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 5. Z is equal to again, it is 2. Then fourth one, A is equal to minus 2. B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to minus 7. So this will be the answer. This is very important question. Sometimes they will ask this type of question in your board exams because this concept is very important. At least you will get 1 mark in MCQ if you study this concept. Okay, at least you will get. Okay, very important question. Very important concept. Next concept, find the value. Sometimes they will give the equation. So we can solve this type of questions. Find the values of uh, A, B, C, D from the following equation. Find the values of A, B, C, D from the following equations. Again, same type. 2A plus B is equal to. First, you must write the equation 2A plus B, A minus 2B, 5C minus D, 4C plus 3D is equal to 4 minus 3, 11, 24. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 11, 24. Then equate. So this element is equal to, first element of this one is equal to A11 is equal to B11. So 2A plus B is equal to 2A plus B is equal to 4. 2A plus B is equal to 4. Then second, A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. So I am taking this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Then solve the equation 1 and 2. You will get the answer. So how can you solve? So I am multiplying 2, equation number 2 with 2. So 2A minus 4B is equal to minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. It is equation number 3. Solve equation 3 and 1 or 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So I am taking 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Equation number 1 minus 3, not 1 minus 3. Equation number 1 minus 3. So 2A minus 2A, it is 0. B minus 5B, B minus 4B. It is B minus uh, minus 4B. Then that is equal to 4 minus 3. So it is equal to B minus 4B. What is B minus 4B? 1 second. This one is 6, not minus 3. So 4 minus, not this, don't take this one. 4 minus minus 6. Minus 6. Okay. So b minus minus 4b, it is 5b. 5b is equal to 4 minus minus 6, 10. 10. So 5b is equal to 5b is equal to 10. B is equal to 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. B is 2. If B is equal to 2, if B is substitute in equation number 2, B is equal to 2. So A minus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 3. A minus 4 is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 3 plus 4. I am taking this minus 4 to this side. It will be plus 4. So it is equal to 4 minus 3. This 1. A is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Then again solve this one. 5c minus d is equal to 5c minus d is equal to 5c minus d is equal to 11. Equation number 4. Then 4c plus 3d, 4c plus 3d is equal to 4c plus 3d is equal to 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. So I am taking first equation and multiply with 3 because here it is 3d. So 4 is multiplied. Equation number 4 is multiplied with the equation number 4 is not 4 is multiplied with 3. Equation number 4 is multiplied with 3. So what will be the result? What will be the result? 5c into 3. 5c into 3, that is 15. C minus 3D is equal to 33. Equation number 6. So you can see here plus 3D and minus 3D. So we can eliminate by using the elimination technique you have studied in grade 10. Okay. So add this. That means equation 5 plus equation 6. Equation 5 plus equation 6. 15, 4C plus 4c plus 15c is equal to 24 plus 33. So 19c is equal to, what is 24? 24 plus 33. 4 plus 3, 7. 57. So c is equal to 57 divided by 19. 57 divided by 19. I think it is 3. 19 into 3. You can check 19 into 3. 27. 2. 1 into 3. 3 into 2. 57. So the answer is 3. Next. C is equal to 3. What will be the D? If C is equal to substitute in equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1. Sorry. 4. 5 into 3 minus D is equal to 11. Is equal to 11. 5 into 3. 15 minus 15 minus 15 minus d is equal to 11. I am taking this d to this side. So d is equal to 15 minus 11. So 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11 is d is equal to 4. 15 minus 11 is 4. So d is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1. B is equal to a is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 3. And d is equal to 4. So this one is the answer. Next, I will take another type from this one. Find the values. I'm solving this question. Sixth question. This one. Okay. Find the values of x, y, z. This one is very easy. First one, just equate y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3, x is equal to 1, and so x is equal to 1. Then here, first I solve this question. So then we can discuss third question. So second question. Sixth. Second question. X plus y is equal to 6. Then 5 plus z is equal to 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 5. Then xy is equal to 8. Xy is equal to 8. This question is also important. Last two questions are very important. So how can you solve this question? So first I am finding the value of z. Value of z. So here you can see in both sides there are 5. So 5 plus z is equal to 5. 5 plus z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 5 minus 5 minus 5. Z is equal to 0. Then what will be the value of x and y? How we can find the x and y? How we can find the value of x and y? Simple. So substitution method we can use. Xy is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 by x. Y is equal to 8 by x. So I am taking this one as equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Substitute y is equal to 8 by x in equation number 1. So x plus what is y? 8 by x is equal to 6. Take LCM. So x square plus 8 divided by x is equal to 6. So x square plus 8 is equal to, I am taking this x to this side, so it will be multiplication. So x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then how we can find the value of x? How we can find the value of x? How we can find the value of x? You can use the quadratic formula or you can use the splitting of the middle term. The simple one is you can take the product or sum. So you can see product is 8 and sum is equal to minus 6. So you can use the splitting the middle term. Okay, so I am taking product is 8. So how we can get the product as 8? 8 into 1 is 8. 1 into 8 is 8. Then 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 4 into minus 2 is 8. So these are the 4 factors of 8. Then just add 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 1 plus 8. It is again 9. Then so sorry, minus 1 and minus 8. So minus 1 plus minus 8 is minus 9. 4 into 2 is 8. So 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 4 is multiplied with minus 2. It is 8. So minus 4 plus minus 2. It is minus 6. So you can see which one is correct. Here you can see minus 6. This one. Product is 8. So product is 8 and sum is minus 6. So this one is correct. So we can split this x square minus 6x plus 8 as this x square minus 6x plus 8 as x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you expand this x minus 4 into x minus 2, you will get the same answer. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 4, what will be the answer for y? If x is equal to 4, what will be the answer for y? Y is equal to 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. So we have first one, x is equal to 4, then y at that time y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 2. Second one, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0. So these are the two values of x, y and z. So the time is limited. We can solve the third question. So fifth question is simple. You can it's the same type as we solved. So this type. Fifth question is simple. You can uh, solve by using this method. Okay. Next question. x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Again, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Write the question. X plus y plus z is equal to 9. Then second one, x plus z and y plus z is equal to what are the values? What are the values? 9, 5, 4. Okay. 9, 5, not 4. I think it is 7. 7. Yes. 7. So they are equal. They are equal matrices. So x plus y plus z. First equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 9, equation number 1. Then x plus 2 is equal to 5, equation number 2. Y plus z is equal to y plus z is equal to y plus z is equal to 7, equation number 3. Then what is x? What is x from the equation number 2? From equation number 2, we will get x is equal to 5 minus z. So I am taking equation number as equation number 4. Substitute that value in this equation number 1. So substitute x is equal to 5 minus z in the equation number 1. So x is 5 minus z plus y plus z is equal to 9. So minus z plus z is 0. So 5 plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Then if y is equal to 4, what will be the value of z? Y is 4. 4 plus z is equal to 7. Z is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 5 minus z. 5 minus 3. Z is 3, 2. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Then z. What will be the value of z? Z is equal to 3. Okay. So today we discussed about how many topics? Type. So a quick revision. We can go through a quick revision. Okay. So today we discussed about the concept of matrix, then notation. It means capital letters we are used for the matrix denotation. Then order of the matrix, equality matrix, types of matrices. That means first one column matrix, row matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, then scalar matrix, then identity matrix, and last one zero or null matrix. Then we discuss various types of problem related to all of the equality matrices and types of matrices. Then in next class, we will discuss about the transpose of matrix. Not in next maths class, we will discuss about the transpose of the matrix and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix and matrices operations. That means first operation is addition, second one is multiplication. Also, we will discuss about the properties of addition and multiplication while using in matrices. Okay. So thank you for watching this live. In next Saturday, we are going on live with Danya ma'am on chemistry grade 12. So stay tuned. Thank you.